You get?
Nothing. Let me help you.
What'd you get?
You lost it.
What's in there?
Open it. I can't open it.
You got some grass?
Here. You can open that one.
Oh, he found a Num Nums.
He got a little washi.
Cute.
He got a selfie book.
Sophie book.
So, it's my favorite toy. It
Aww.
was my favorite toy when I was little.
Aw, here, see it. Look at it.
And
Wanna
a
give it
bear
back?
book.
Oh, yum.
One of Sophie's bear friends.
Cute.
A bunny sucker? I thought you couldn't suck candy.
Here, here.
A pool toy.
Ooh.
A
Awesome.
foodie. Okay, that looks good.
Cute. Yay, Lawson.
Nothing else.
Awesome.
Yay, Lawson.